Dividing polynomials. These are the steps for how we're going to divide polynomials that are divided by a monomial, meaning examples like this, or the other ones where they only have one term underneath. There's no adding or subtracting after this term. So we're going to split up the polynomial. So what does that mean? That means we're going to split these up like this. So we'll have 20x to the third over 5x minus 15x over 5x. And then what we're going to do is we are going to simplify, if I can spell, each term. So remember how to do these. 20 divided by 5, we're just simplifying this. So we're going to simplify the numbers, and then we're going to simplify the variables, if we can, okay? So 20 divided by 5 is 4. Remember our variables. Really up here at top, we've got x times x times x all over x. And remember what that means is that I can divide out similar common variables. So this can go away, and this can go away. And then at top, I'm left with just 2 x's, which is x squared. So here we've got 4x squared. And then same thing here. We've got 15 divided by 5, which is 3. And then our variables, we have x over x, and those cancel each other out, so we're just left with 1. So our answer is 4x squared minus 3. That's all we're going to do. So we're going to take each term and put it over the denominator separately. 12x to the 12th over 4x to the 4th. Minus 8x to the 8 over 4x to the 4th plus 4x to the 6 over 4x to the 4th. Make sure when you're splitting each of these up that each of them goes over the same exact denominator. If you change anything about it or you forget to put it over it, it changes the whole problem. And you're doing something completely different. So let's simplify. 12 divided by 4 is 3. An easy way to divide out our variables is taking the exponent up top, so 12, minus the exponent at bottom, 4. So I'm going to say 12 minus 4, that leaves me with 8 x's. And since the number on top is bigger, it leaves me with 8 x's on top. So then we can go minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. Number on top is bigger, so those 4 x's stay on top. Plus 4 divided by 4 gives me 1. I don't have to write that 1. X is 6 minus 4 is 2. X's on top are bigger, so it stays on top. This is one of our easier ways of dividing our polynomials. Let's do C, just because we have different variables, but it's going to work the same. We're still going to split these up. 90xy to the third plus, see, look, I got all mixed up. Over 9xy, 18xy squared over 9xy minus 45x squared y over 9xy. And we're just going to do it all the exact same. So 90 divided by 9 is 10. My x's, I got an x on top, x on bottom. So those cancel each other out. Y to the third over y. I take the 3 minus 1. Remember, this is a 1 if there's no number. That's 2. So it's y squared plus 18 divided by 9 is 2. Again, my x's cancel out. We got y to the squared over y1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So that leaves me with just y. Then I've got minus 45 divided by 9 is 5. Now I've got x squared over x. So 2 minus 1 leaves me with 1x. And this time my y's cancel out. And so this is my answer. If on this one, we only have an x on bottom, so these variables just will remain in your answer. There's nothing to divide it by in that example. All right, let me know if you have any questions on dividing our polynomials by a monomial, meaning one term.